Hello guys, welcome to Baku Smart Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add admin to a Facebook profile page. So now the first thing you are going to do is you are going to head over to your Facebook. When you head over to your Facebook, then make sure that you have already switched to the Facebook profile page. So to do that, the first thing you are going to do, tap the icon at the top right corner. After doing that, then here you see a drop down button, or over here you can tap either of the two to select the profile page. Then after tapping on it, then it's going to pop you up to the profile page. Then you are going to tap on the icon over here at the top right corner. Then after tapping on it, then you are going to tap on settings at the top right corner also. After doing that, then you go down to audience and visibility, then look for page setup. After doing that, then tap on the page access. After tapping on the page access, at the top right corner here you see add new. Then you are going to tap on it, then tap on next. Then when you tap on next, it's going to pop you up here. Then this is where you are going to search for the name of the person that you want to add as an admin in the Facebook profile page. Then after doing that, here you are to give the person a full access to the profile page by tapping on this button here. Then you now tap on give access. Then here you are going to provide your password. You are going to provide your Facebook password so that they will confirm if you are the one performing these tasks. After the confirmation, after they have confirmed, then you are going to send a notification to the person you add as an admin. Then it's going to accept it. Then this notification is going to last, or this access to admin is going to last for only 30 days. So guys, this is how to add admin to a Facebook profile page. Don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.